In this video, I'm going to be revealing pretty unique side hustles that I'm pretty sure that you're going to be like, wow, Diana, that's actually unbelievable. I don't think I was not even thinking about them, or I don't even was thinking about the fact that they could exist. But well, these are pretty unique side hustles that you can do as long as you have one of this. And I'm pretty sure that chances are that you have more than one. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm teaching people how to make money online and I don't want you to miss any of the videos. Let me show you everything step by step because I want to make sure that we're going to be on the same page. And trust me, guys, these are pretty unique side hustles. At the end of the video, I'm going to be reading even another way in which you can actually make money online. So the first website is called Human Micro. So you're going to go to humanmicro.org or you can Google it. And yes, these people need our stool. They are looking for stool donors. Okay. And this is actually no joke. I know it sounds unbelievable, but one of the things they say is like, this can save lives. Okay. And as you can see here, poop, yes, they need your poop. Okay. They are actually doing several studies and research, and that's the reason why they actually need it. Okay. How you can become part of this study and how you can help them, you can click here where it says becoming a donor. Okay. Here on becoming a donor, you're going to see here that yes, you can be a stool donor. Okay. And they're going to be doing research and you're going to be earning money. Okay. Here, first of all, you can earn $500 per stool. No joke. I know it sounds unbelievable, but yes, you can get paid $500 per stool. And the total is going to be over $100,000, 180,000 per year. Okay. No joke. I know it sounds unbelievable. The very first time I checked on this, I was like, wow. Oh my goodness, there are different ways in which we can actually help people and we can actually make money. Okay. So if you're looking, for a different side hustle, this is pretty unique. Humanmicro.org. Another way in which you can actually make money, it's with a website that is called Papa. So you're going to go to papa.com, and basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be you know, giving companion, helping with tasks and transportation with older people. So this is a great way in which you can actually help them feel, good. And, if you're a good listener, this is also for you. You can be a Papa Paul, where if you click here where it says be a Papa Paul, and you are going to see that they are actually giving you the opportunity here. There is no limit on the amount of visits that you can complete on or the amount of money that you can actually earn. Okay. Additionally to the hourly pay, they will reimburse my mileage and bonuses based on how many visits you complete. Say you're going to be doing a meaningful work. Being a Papa Paul means that you're going to be making the difference in the community. You're going to be supporting an a person that sometimes they feel, alone. They don't have family members. They just want to be listened. And one cool thing is the fact that you can do this on your own schedule. Okay. So if you are a good listener, you're a person with a good heart, and this is something that sounds and resonate with what you would like to do, well, you can become, a Papa Paul. Okay. You're going to be working in your own hours and you're going to be helping good people. Another way in which you can actually earn money, it's with IM. Okay. IM.com. It's similar to other stocks, photos. that I already covered in the past, but these have like a pretty unique approach. And, you know, I want to give you guys options so you can diversify the way in which you're going to be earning money. If you already have a cell phone, as I showed you before, right now you have a really high quality camera. So you have everything you need in order to earn money. And I'm pretty sure that by now, maybe you went on a trip days before and you have really good images that you can share. Okay. So you are going to click here where it says for contributors, and you are going to see that here we have people that are doing daily activities. It's not something crazy. Here we have just a kid, enjoying the view on the boat. Here we have someone swimming. Okay. Here we have someone on the bridge. Here we have a kid as well. So there is no something crazy. And maybe you are like, well, but I don't like, to be taking picture of people. What else can I do? Well, you can take picture of landscapes. Okay. So a nice view, a nice portrait, you can do that. Trust me, guys, you don't need to have a quote unquote high quality camera. Okay. Because you already have your cell phone and most of them have the options. Well, to be honest, all of them give us the options to take really high quality images. So you have the opportunity to capture people in a portrait, or you can decide like, hey, no, I don't feel comfortable with that. I prefer to take images of my city. If I went and have a trip to the beach, to the mountain, you can share that as well. You can share, you can actually sell your work. Literally, you're going to be uploading the images and you are going to be selling them. And cool thing is that you are always going to keep the copyright. Okay. So another website, guys, that I would like to share with you is this one. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Also, let me know like if you hear of these side hustles before. I'm pretty sure that some of them are pretty unique. And if you have another way in which you can actually earn money online that is actually unique, let me know. I would like to know where you're from as well and what's your favorite payment method, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is available in your area. If you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check out the very first link in the description. Now, let me go back to the video. Is this one. It's called Swagbox. This is a website that I already covered in the past. It's free to join. They have been around for so long. They have been featured in several websites, including the Huffington Post, in which you can actually be doing different simple tasks like clicking on ads, watching videos, completing surveys, playing games, okay, doing simple tasks, even searching on websites. You can earn points and you can redeem them. You can get money, being paid on your favorite retailer gift cards, or you can get it back through and have actual money on PayPal. This is the amount of money that they have paid so far. And as I told you, they have been around for a really, really, really long time, guys. So this is a legit website. I think this is, if not the best, one of the best. Here's a quick video about how you can actually earn money with Swapbox. So it's nothing crazy. In less than a minute, you are going to understand the entire concept, but it's basically what I already explained to you. You're going to be doing small tasks, and if you already want shopping, okay, you can submit your receipt and you're going to be getting cash back. So a great opportunity to earn some money. Another way in which you can actually earn money online and find really good side hustles, maybe not as unique as the ones that I showed you before, is by going to Upwork. Okay, so you can go to upwork.com, and if there is something that you feel comfortable doing, and you don't need a degree for this. I mean, like if you feel comfortable translating documents because you speak more than one languages, right? Or you want to give customer service, but you don't want to be, having a regular 9 to 5 schedule, but you want a little bit more freedom. If you have some graphic design skills, you are good at math, well, definitely Upwork is the place that you need to go to. It's 100% free to join. They are also really legit, and they have been around for a really, really long time. There are a lot of companies who are looking for you, and you can decide like, hey, I'm going to prefer to get paid by hours. I'm going to get paid by project. Okay, this is the amount of hours that I can work. So it's going to give you the flexibility. And talking about flexibility, guys, there is an even better way in which you can make money online. Okay, if you really don't want to change your time for money, okay, if you want to live your life in your own terms, you want to have fun, okay, I'm going to be leaving the link. It's going to be the very first thing in the description with what is my number one recommendation to make money online. Guys, let me know where you're from. I'm really curious where you're from. Again, what's your favorite payment method? Okay. And keep watching the next video so you can learn more ways in which you can earn money online.